In 1922, Howard Carter discovered a sealed doorway in the Valley of the Kings, revealing an untouched tomb. The antechamber contained golden chariots, ceremonial beds, and statues, symbolizing power in the king's afterlife journey. These objects represented divine power and the promise of eternal life for the king. The discovery provided a glimpse into a world untouched for millennia, preserving ancient beliefs about death and the afterlife. The golden death mask, crafted from solid gold and inlaid with precious stones, is an iconic treasure. The innermost coffin, made entirely of gold, held Tutankhamun's mummy. 4 golden shrines enclosed the 3 nested coffins within the burial chamber. The elaborate burial arrangement underscores the belief in an afterlife. Preserving the body was crucial for ensuring passage into eternity. The treasures and burial rites reflect the importance of preserving the body for eternity. Amulets, carvings, and gems found within the tomb each carried specific symbolic meanings. The Ankh symbolized life, representing the concept of eternal existence. The Scarab represented rebirth, signifying transformation and renewal. Collectively, these symbols narrate the story of divine kingship and eternal destiny. The treasures of Tutankhamun serve as a reminder of the secrets history still holds. Tutankhamun's mummy was protected by multiple layers of nested shrines and coffins. 3 coffins were enclosed within the shrines, providing further protection. The innermost coffin was made entirely of gold. The pharaoh's mummy was placed inside the innermost golden coffin. A golden mask covered the face of Tutankhamun's mummy. The nested structure and precious materials emphasized the pharaoh's importance and ensured his safe passage to the afterlife. The Ankh symbolizes life and immortality in ancient Egyptian culture. The scarab beetle represents rebirth and transformation. The falcon is a symbol of divine kingship and protection. These amulets were believed to provide protection and ensure safe passage into the afterlife. Ancient Egyptians used symbols to express their beliefs about divine kingship and eternal destiny. Understanding these symbols provides insight into the cultural and religious significance of ancient Egyptian artifacts. The discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb sparked global fascination with ancient Egypt. Rumors of a curse associated with Tutankhamun's tomb added to the mystique and intrigue. Exhibition displays worldwide showcase the treasures of Tutankhamun, drawing large crowds. The treasures of Tutankhamun provided invaluable insights into the life and culture of ancient Egypt. The Valley of the Kings remains a site of ongoing archaeological research and discovery. The quest for historical knowledge and understanding of ancient civilizations continues to this day.
Subscribe to our channel